The first feature that I like as a 10 years Android user is that I am the only one who can see notification previews at a glance on lock screen. So when Face ID is set up, when I grab the phone, Face ID unlocks the phone and relieves notification details. But if someone else tries this on my iPhone, they will only see the number of notifications I receive. I really love this physical silent switch. When trying to work or watching a film, I like to set my phone on silent mode. And on the iPhone, I just slide the switch left. It's that easy without having to turn on my phone. While on Samsung, I have to turn on the display, swipe down, click 2 times to set it on silence. Before I continue to the next feature, if you want to see the mistakes I made on the first day using the iPhone as my daily driver, hit like. What I like about iPhone's quick panel is that the brightness and the volume slider are pretty handy and well placed. For example, while watching something, instead of clicking the volume buttons, all I have to do is to swipe up or down to control the volume. The performance on the iPhone is really great. This is the 11 Pro that I'm using, powered by the A13 Bonic processor. I compared it to my S22 Ultra, and in most Geekbench tests, the 11 Pro is more powerful than my S22 Ultra. The next thing that I love about the iPhone is sound and vibration feedback. Just by typing on the keyboard, it gives you this relaxed feeling. Also, when turning on flashlight, the combination of vibration and sound is amazing. Standby time on the iPhone is on another level. One day, I charged the phone to 100% and 12 hours later, I still had 100% left, while my Android device drained 9%. About software updates, it doesn't matter in which country you are living in or what model of the iPhone you have. All iPhones get updates at the same time. The animations are so good that sometimes I can't see the difference between 60 Hz on my iPhone and the 120 Hz on my S22 Ultra. Face ID is one of the best ways to unlock smartphones. With amazing features, it's so fast, I just grab the phone and start using it. The next thing that I enjoyed on the iPhone is taking pictures. The colors are so good that I don't need to edit photos after taking them, and I just post them on social media. The last but not least feature that I loved about the iPhone is the battery life. With its amazing standby time and the A13 optimization, I managed to get about the same battery life as my S22 Ultra. In some days, even more.